Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, check this one out. We got this one. I believe it's pronounced Ekta. Okay, this one was just listed on Bank, so this is creating quite a buzz, and the community is pretty big, over 20,000 Telegram members. So we're definitely going to check out what they got going on over here. We got bridging blockchain with the physical world. Organizations and creators can tokenize and sell their assets through metaverse, NFT, DeFi, and exchange solutions on Ekta chain. Okay, so this is a chain right here, like a blockchain. We got Ekta ecosystem. We got the Hybex exchange, hybrid exchange, Ekta Bridge, NFT marketplace, Ekta wallet. Okay, so they got their own wallet. The ecosystem functions. We got Grow DeFi, decentralized lending, Lotto, remittance, NFT, MetaTrees, NFTs, have NFTs, carbon credits. So this is big. They're smart. They're onto something right here. That they're implementing all of these, helping with the trees and carbon credits. That's going to be very big in the future. Remember that I told you guys about that. Okay. Fractionalized NFTs and Villa DAOs, okay? We got MetaTrees, okay? This is the Ektaverse, Ekta Gaming, Play to Earn Gaming, VC tokens, startup accelerators, and Hundle Launchpad crowdfunding, okay? So we're going to see what this one all has, and congratulations again for getting listed on Bank and everything that your community and team has going. So make sure you guys load this up with a lot of likes, comments down below, like that the YouTube algorithm can get this out to new potential investors and stuff. Also, do not miss out on my money bag alerts. You know, if you want to know what plays I'm jumping in and when I'm jumping in, this is a way that you guys can find out through my money bag alerts, okay? So we got the roadmap right now. We got Ekta token launch, DEX listing, Ekta mainnet, Ekta bridge, staking DApp. Okay, we got 2022, so this was already taken care of. We're right now at the Petals Recovery, Ekta NFT Marketplace, Have NFT Marketplace, the Hybrid Exchange. You guys know that I'm big. Say what you mean and mean what you say. This is where we're going to pay attention. I would like to see some check marks right here, to like that we can identify what's been taken care of and what has not been taken care of. So come check out this roadmap. We got a lot going on, especially with the carbon credits. That's really smart. We're going to hear a lot about that in the future coming up. So these are their partners. They're partnered with Certik, so that's a good sign. And we got some press releases that I want you guys to come over and check it out. I'm going to be in the Telegram after I drop this video. And a matter of fact, since this was a quick video and we're just doing a quick review, why not come to their Twitter and check out what else they have over here on their Twitter page and see what they're rocking with. Come see that I'm following already. You know, I was doing my due diligence, right? You guys want to do the same? Hit that bell notification. If you're part of this community already, come like and retweet everything to do with what you guys got going on. This will help you guys get trending. This will help new eyes see what you guys got going on, okay? So, oh, sorry about that. If we're part of this community, make sure you guys come over here. Sorry about that once again. Make sure you guys come over here, like and retweet everything going on, okay? So that's going to be it for this one. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to get this video out in the Telegram. Remember, load this up with likes and comments if you're part of this community already, okay? So with that being said, continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.